What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Rain Vlogs here on Saturday. We're just waking up. I gotta sleep in a little bit, which is nice. A quick little update for you guys. I am still going to Venice, meet my homie in Venice, but little detour. I'm going to Cronies first, meet up with the homies, eat a little food, because I haven't eaten yet. So that's number one. Oh, what's up, guys? This is probably one of the favorite spots for us. Where are we at? Hopefully that's making the camera. They're nasty.
So stirring the lime.
I don't even remember what
They
they
get you real soft.
But, no, I'm on my way to Venice right now. Meet up with everybody. See how today goes. It is Cinco de Mayo, so happy Cinco de Mayo to everybody out there. Hope everybody's having a great day. Make sure you're safe. Make sure you drink safe. Get safe rides. Hope everybody has a great day, and I'll keep you guys posted on what's good so far, and I'll hit you guys up when I get there. Alright? Let's do this. Hey, look at this blue door.
Awesome. First of all, Jake hasn't been a fun spot, alright? And fun spot is fun spot. And you need to go to a fun spot because it's a
What the fuck is... What are you doing? Dude, that's sick. Dude, you drink? They drink and they just bike or what? Hey, first off on the beer watch. Let's go. I got my wristband today. Hey, send it, bro. Tell them what we're doing. Tell them what we're doing.
We're in Santa Monica, bar crawl. Let's go, boy. High price drinks. Come out. Yo, come out and vibe with us.
Cheers, motherfucker. What's up with that? Oh, look at this chandelier. Jack Daniels. That's just literally lit. Fuck, man. We are lost. We're lost. Super lost. Next up. Check it out. Burger. Pretty lit right now. Gotta say. I'm about to get faded. I'm taking a shot. I'm about to drink some fucking. I'm about to drink ketchup. Sure, dude. We're so tired. You got anything to say to the fans or what? What's wrong with ketchup, dude? We could have done mustard. What about mayonnaise? Hey, mayonnaise. Alright, we're going to Rick's Tavern right now. Hopefully we get here. Fucking sing it. This is the squad we're with. Woo! Yeah! This bar looks fucking lit. It's right here, bro. Yeah. Oh, and I need my best friend. Hey, dude, this is poppin', bro. This was over in the back. Yo, we are in the vlog, just took a piss, yo. Delabera, that's what it's called, right? Hey, right here. Hell yeah, this place is lit. Cheers, everybody. Everybody got the same fucking drink, I dig it. Half off tequila drinks, Bishop.
Look at Bishop right now.
Yeah! Check out these drinks you got. These are super cute. Super cute. Beautiful flowers. God's sake. Really cute. Everybody that supports this shit, I love you guys. It's been a while since I've done a bad handspring. I'm really good.
Let's go.
That's not a back handspring.
Bishop!
That's a fucking cartwheel, Bishop! You can all do cartwheels. I don't care. Come on, man.
He jumped off a tree.
This is the crew right here. Everybody is super fucked up. Except for me. Make sure I'm vlogging. Let's go. Why? One more time. Let's go. Yeah, like it right now. Lit up here. Look at all these fucking people.
Alright, guys. What's good, guys? Let's go. Hey, we're out here. Hey, yo. Actually, we're in Venice Beach right now for Cali Live. We out here living the Cali Life. You already know. Oh, shit. Hey, yo, brother. Now, this is my vlog, right?
Alright.
So what's your name, brother?
Mac. And you?
What was it?
Mac.
Mac?
French name, yeah.
Oh, shit. Are you from Paris or what?
Yeah, I'm from Paris.
Oh, shit. Fun boy from Paris. All right, so yo, check it out. So tell me, what are you doing out here in LA?
I'm studying here.
You're studying?
Yeah.
What are you studying out here?
I'm studying in high school.
Oh, high school?
Yeah, that's great, but high school.
High school.
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up.
I swear.
So tell me why you're doing high school out here in America.
Because it's better than in France, I think.
So
Moroccan maybe.
Okay. So how is it like out there?
How is it? It's very good. Like I like France. I think
Okay.
it's very good for like if you want to go for vacation. maybe,
Okay.
You can go in France. It's very good.
Yeah. Shout out to Mux. You already know where he's from. Venice, California. Shout him out. And at the same time, just be yourself, right?
Yeah.
Just be yourself. I appreciate that, brother.
Fuck, dude, I thought we were walking crazy. Now we're getting pizza.
Bro, everything's good now.
Pizza, yeah. Yo. Right when you say pizza, everything needs to relax.
No worries, man.
The whole thing is. We're right again that call. She's super pissed because I'm calling it left day. And it's really right. Hey, I'm gonna have my boy sign off for you guys for Saturday, so here it is.
Yo.
Hey.
We out here, man.
Everybody, I just want you to know just to send it. If you have something that you love to do, just send it. That's all you have to do.
send it, man.
That's
Just
the
send
first
it.
step.
California.
So here we go. Gotta say, love Florida.
Love
Thanks,
Florida,
my
man.
boy.
Let's go. Hey.
Let's send it, yeah. We're moving on to Sunday. Everybody, happy Saturday.
Camarina's locked and I lock is lit, yeah. 805 where I pull up, yeah. Everything's where I'm from, you already know.
Damn.
It's cool, hey.
Yeah, I know I'm on my shit, cause you know I'm fucking vlogging. It got my homies here, and yeah, we legit, you know we getting fucking lit.
My boy Joe getting paid on a Thursday, ayy. My boy Joe getting paid on a Thursday, but you already know he pulled up in a Raleigh.
Got paid on a motherfucking Friday. Midnight, man, that's my way. Hey, some say Burger King.
Yeah.
Motherfuck you, it's my way. Hey, Subway.
Yo,
Eat fresh.
eat fresh.
It's okay, man. I do the fucking best. I'm a Caucasian. I'm here for motherfucking vacation. What you doing? I'm not Haitian. Man is taste station. Both.
Yeah.
Here.
LA,
I'm here.
where I'm fucking from. I'm from Malibu, bitch. You already know where I'm from.
Gotta
I'll
call it
pick
green.
you up. I'll pick you up. You already know I got that double cup on my